what you need. Hair on fleek, come see me. What you want, what you need. Your face beat, Princess Reese.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics Eyes, Lips, Face. e.l.f. is a cruelty-free brand that does not test on animals. And with e.l.f. you can always look extra without paying extra, okay? So let's get right into this. Get ready with me. I'm so excited. I'm looking good. I'm feeling so much better. My makeup is done. If you want to know how to achieve this look and get ready with me, let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm mixing tan sand, and I'm also going to be using the color Deep Olive, which is almost like a fawn dupe. I can't do my brows and talk, like that's literally the hardest thing to do, so be right back. Okay, so yeah, back to my story. So pretty much my first client was actually pregnant, right? And literally as I got to my studio, she got there at the same time. I opened up the door and the floors are like soaking wet with the wood stain, and I immediately started panicking because this woman had a maternity shoot, and with the floors being wet, what am I supposed to do? I only had 3 clients today in total, and my other 2 clients I was able to travel to, but this first lady, we had to just work something out. So pretty much I pretty much fucked up my floors by walking on it, and now there's like shoe prints in it, shoe stains all over the floor because I walked on the floor because there was like no other option. The timing for her shoot, you know, like she just had to get her makeup done in that moment, like at that time. So that was pretty frustrating. Now to prime my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. matte Poreless Putty Primer because I want my face to be nice and matte all night. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with Macau and Marquise's NARS foundation. Y'all know my go-tos. I'm learning that as a person who's, you know, just starting out a business, which is, you know, me having my own studio is brand new. Everything isn't always gonna go my way. Everything isn't always gonna be, you know, on the right timing and stuff. And when you're working with other people, sometimes it is hard to get everyone on the same page, on the same timing, when you need people to do favors for you. That's why I'm really a type of person where I just like to get things done by myself, but it's like I obviously cannot do everything, you know what I mean? So it's really just finding reliable people to work with you, to be able to like bring your vision to life. But that kind of set me back for today. Like, yeah, that's enough of my rant. Now I'm actually excited for dinner because we are going to one of my favorite restaurants, Brooklyn Chop House. It's really one of my favorite, like, Asian slash American fusion. I don't really know how to describe their cuisine. It's definitely Asian food though, but they also have steak, so it's like, you know, I'm excited. I know you guys might see these scars as I'm doing my makeup, so if you haven't tuned into like my Instagram or whatever, I posted after the accident happened, but in Tulum I actually fell off of the ATV. Now it was my first time doing ATVs, like, ever. I've never done it before, and honestly I was just going way too fast. That's what happened, and I flew off of that thing. Like, legit flew off. Like, I don't even remember like how it really happened. I just know I was going way too fast, and that's what happened. So like, I don't want you guys to look at my scars like, what the hell happened to Reese? So it will be in the Tulum vlog. You guys are gonna see I recorded like literally right after I fell. I got on Shayna's bike and I started recording. I recorded a little clip, and then I showed you guys like right after I felt like the scarring and how I was bleeding and stuff. But I'm healing up pretty well, so, and I'm doing okay, so thank you guys. And I'm actually gonna go back in with the same two concealers. So I'm gonna go in with Deep Olive first, and then Tan Sand on top of that. So I'm just gonna do like the outer perimeter of the triangle with the Deep Olive, and then I'm gonna go in with Tan Sand like on the inner corners, just to make it really bright. So I was actually gonna do like an eyeshadow look for today, but I don't really have much time. Shayna's about to come do her makeup. Now I'm actually going in with Tan Sand. You see, that's the brighter concealer color. Brighten up that under eye. Straight up my nose. Bring that in a little more. My chin. Above my lip. The corners of my mouth. And that's that. Now to contour, I'm gonna go in with Ulta Beauty's foundation stick in the color Full Dark. Now this is really creamy, so a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna apply just a little bit in the corner. And now we're just gonna blend it all together. I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend out my concealer. I'm gonna use my foundation brush to blend out my contour. Now I'm gonna go with my Inglot gel liner in the color 77. I'm gonna use that same bronzer for my lower lash line as well. Now I'm gonna go with deep dark and dark to contour, so I'm gonna alternate between the two. Before I even contour, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with the e.l.f. lip balm. This is a mini lip balm, so you can like take this on the go. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Volume 1. I'm gonna go in with this orange color as my blush. Nice little orange subtle blush. I actually don't think I'm gonna highlight today. You know, as I told you guys, I have not been really feeling highlight recently, so just gonna add some mascara to my lower lash line. I'm looking beat, so I'm about to go get dressed and I'm gonna come back and finish off the rest of my makeup. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm all dressed now. Don't you hate when you have on like lotion and then it like gets on your dress? That just happened to me. For lips, I'm gonna use the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in the color Mint Chocolate. This is one of my favorite lip plumping glosses. The perfect nude. Ooh. One thing you ladies need to get your hands on is this e.l.f. Glow Up Selfie Light on the go. So guys, this is like the best when you're going out and you have some bad lighting and you need to take a selfie. Yeah, look at the birthday girl. Makeup is done. Face is beat. See you at dinner. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. Obviously I just finished doing Shayna's makeup, so I'm about to get ready to go out to her dinner. I didn't really get to vlog today because today was pretty hectic.
It's 25. Yeah. Think about her.
Make her wish before this go out.
Princess Weeks. Princess Weeks.